Let's paint a picture of the problem you're solving. What was the existing business process before this solution was introduced?
Before the implementation of DARS, organizations typically managed data retention and reporting through a patchwork of legacy systems and manual workflows. Data was dispersed across disparate platforms, often lacking standardization and central oversight. Archival procedures were largely manual, relying on periodic exports, ad hoc scripts, and individual team members to enforce retention policies. This approach not only increased the risk of data silos, loss, and non-compliance, but also placed a heavy operational burden on IT and compliance teams. Reporting processes were equally fragmented, requiring extensive manual data extraction, reconciliation, and formatting, leading to delays, inconsistencies, and limited business agilities.
That sounds like a nightmare for any compliance officer. How does this solution improve the current workflow or operational efficiency?
DARS introduces a unified automated framework that streamlines the entire data lifecycle, from ingestion and archival to reporting and analytics. By integrating with existing data sources and leveraging the scalability of Cloudera and cloud storage, the solution ensures that data is securely archived according to policy with minimal manual intervention. Automated workflows and self-service reporting empower business users to access insights in real time, reducing dependency on IT and accelerating response to business needs. This not only enhances operational efficiency, but also ensures data integrity, auditability, and compliance across the organization.
Can you describe a real-world scenario where this solution would add immediate value?
Imagine a healthcare provider preparing for a regulatory compliance review. Historically, assembling the necessary patient records and audit trails would require weeks of manual effort, coordination across departments, and significant risk of oversight. With DARS, the provider can instantly access a centralized archive, generate comprehensive compliance reports, and respond to auditor requests within hours. This immediate access to accurate, well-governed data not only streamlines regulatory processes, but also builds trust with stakeholders and regulators.
Those are impressive improvements. What kind of business impact can clients expect in terms of time saved, cost reduced, and decisions improved?
Clients deploying DARS can expect measurable improvements across multiple business dimensions. Time savings. Automated archival and reporting reduce turnaround times from weeks to minutes, freeing up valuable staff resources. Cost efficiency. Consolidated infrastructure and reduced manual workload translate directly into lower operational and compliance costs. Enhanced decision-making. Real-time, reliable access to historical and current data empowers leaders to make faster, evidence-based decisions. Risk reduction. Consistent application of data governance and audit controls minimizes compliance risks and supports a proactive approach to regulatory requirements.
Let's talk about the user experience. Can you walk us through the user journey, or how a user interacts with this solution?
Sure. The user journey with data archival and reporting solution, abbreviated as DARS, is designed to be intuitive, secure, and efficient. Upon logging into the platform, users are presented with a personalized dashboard tailored to their role and access privileges. Data engineers and IT administrators can configure data ingestion pipelines, monitor archival processes, and manage retention policies through a centralized interface. Business analysts and compliance officers can easily search, filter, and retrieve archived data using advanced query tools. Generating reports is a seamless process. Users simply select the desired parameters, and the system compiles and visualizes the data in real time. Throughout the journey, robust audit trails and access controls ensure data security and compliance, while self-service features empower users to obtain insights without IT bottlenecks.
That sounds very streamlined. Is this solution plug and play, or does it require customization for each client?
DARS is architected as a modular, scalable platform with robust, out-of-the-box capabilities, enabling rapid deployment in most enterprise environments. Core features such as data ingestion, archival, and reporting are designed to be plug and play, supporting common industry standards and integration protocols. However, recognizing that each organization has unique data landscapes and compliance requirements, the solution also offers extensive customization options. This includes configurable data connectors, custom retention policies, and tailored reporting templates, ensuring that DARS can be seamlessly adapted to meet specific client needs without compromising on speed or scalability.
What kind of roles would use this solution daily? Are we talking about sales managers, field agents, analysts, or other types of users?
Data archival ad reporting solution is primarily utilized by roles that require regular access to historical data and reporting capabilities. Key daily users include business analysts for generating insights, trend analysis, and supporting strategic decisions. Compliance officers to monitor data retention, ensure regulatory adherence, and prepare for audits. Data engineers and IT administrators for managing data pipelines, monitoring system health, and maintaining data governance. Operations managers to track operational metrics and ensure process efficiency, while other roles such as sales managers or field agents may access the platform for specific reporting needs. The solution is especially valuable for those responsible for data management, compliance, and analytics.
Thank you so much for that insightful overview. It's always exciting to hear how innovative solutions are shaping the future for enterprises. If you're interested in exploring how this technology can benefit your organization, don't forget to take advantage of that free consultation or check out their website for more details. The links are in the caption below. Now let's dive into the technical architecture. What technologies and platforms have been used to build this solution?
DARS leverages a modern, enterprise-grade technology stack to ensure scalability, reliability, and performance. Core components include the Cloudera Data Platform, CDP, for distributed data management and processing, Apache Spark for large-scale ETL and analytics, and cloud storage solutions such as AWS S3 and Azure Blob Storage for secure, scalable archival. The solution integrates with PostgreSQL and MongoDB for metadata management and indexing. Reporting and visualization are enabled through Power BI and Tableau, while the platform's APIs support seamless integration with existing enterprise systems. Security is enforced using industry-standard encryption protocols and robust access controls.
AI and machine learning are becoming essential in data solutions. What kind of AI or ML models are used, and how are they trained or fine-tuned?
DARS incorporates AI and machine learning models to enhance data classification, anomaly detection, and predictive analytics. Common models include supervised learning algorithms for automated data categorization and unsupervised models for identifying unusual patterns or potential compliance risks. These models are initially trained on historical organizational data and can be fine-tuned using client-specific datasets to improve accuracy and relevance. The training process leverages distributed computing resources within Cloudera, ensuring efficient handling of large data volumes and continuous model improvement as new data becomes available.
Building something this comprehensive can't have been without challenges. What specific challenges did you face during the development or data preparation stages?
Several challenges were encountered during development and data preparation. Integrating data from heterogeneous legacy systems required extensive data mapping and transformation to ensure consistency and quality. Ensuring data lineage and auditability across the entire pipeline was critical for compliance, necessitating robust metadata management. Additionally, optimizing performance for both archival and real-time reporting while maintaining security and scalability required careful architectural planning and iterative testing. Addressing these challenges resulted in a resilient, adaptable solution capable of meeting diverse enterprise requirements.
Security is obviously paramount when dealing with sensitive business data. How secure is this solution, especially when dealing with sensitive business data?
Security is a foundational element of DARS. The solution employs end-to-end encryption for data at rest and in transit, utilizing protocols such as AES-256 and SSL-TLS. Role-based access controls and multi-factor authentication ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive data. Comprehensive audit logging tracks all user activity, supporting compliance and forensic analysis. The platform is regularly updated to address emerging threats and adheres to industry best practices and regulatory standards, providing clients with confidence that their business critical data is protected at every stage.
Let's talk about results. How did you test the performance or accuracy of the solution? Any KPIs or metrics to share?
The performance and accuracy of DARS were rigorously validated through a combination of automated testing, user acceptance testing, and real-world pilot deployments. Key performance indicators included data ingestion throughput, archival and retrieval latency, report generation time, and system uptime. For AI ML components, model accuracy, precision, and recall were measured using labeled validation datasets. Typical results demonstrated data ingestion rates exceeding 1 TB per hour, report generation times reduced to under 1 minute, and model classification accuracy above 95%. Continuous monitoring and feedback loops ensure that these metrics are maintained and improved as the solution evolves.
Those are impressive numbers. Are there any benchmarks or comparative results from before and after implementing this POC?
Yes, several benchmarks highlight the impact of implementing DARS. Prior to deployment, data retrieval and report preparation often required several days of manual effort, with a high risk of errors and compliance gaps. After implementation, these processes were reduced to minutes, with automated workflows ensuring consistency and accuracy. For example, one client reported a 70% reduction in operational costs related to data management and a 90% decrease in audit preparation time. Additionally, the adoption of AI-driven analytics led to earlier detection of anomalies and improved decision-making, further demonstrating the tangible value delivered by the solution.